First off, I want to start by apologizing for my voice. I have a pretty bad cold right now. But this topic is talking on hydrophilic versus hydrophobic. What is it, and how can we tell the difference? So basically, I wanted to sum it down in simpler terms for maybe people who may not understand the topic as well. So hydrophilic are any molecules that dissolve in water or are attracted to water and can withstand water. Hydrophobic would be any molecules that repel water. So I wanted to give a little examples to maybe help you get a better understanding of exactly what it is. So for my hydrophilic, I use the example of what a lot of people use in their everyday lives, and that would be protein powder. A lot of people like to work out, and a lot of people take protein powder. I know the picture is milk, but vision it as being water instead. So when you mix protein with water, it dissolves in the water. It doesn't repel the water, it simply dissolves in it, and then you're able to drink it as one. So I wanted to use protein powder because I figured it would be a simpler way to explain exactly what hydrophilic molecules are. So when you think hydrophilic, you automatically need to think anything that dissolves in water. So protein powders would be one. Now we move to hydrophobic. So hydrophobic being any molecule that repels water. This includes lipids, fats, oils, etc. For my picture example, I wanted to show water and oil. Everybody knows that when you wash your hands, when you have oil on your hands still seem to be oily. That's because the oil is repelling the water because they do not mix. And this is due to their polarity. You can think of a battery charge, opposites attract. So water is a positively charged molecule. So they attract to one another. Same goes for oil. Oil will attract to oil molecules, therefore not allowing them to mix, so they will stay separated the entire time. Even if you go to mix a spoon around in the oil and water, they will still manage to separate themselves. And this is all due to their polarity. So the basic terms I would like people to take away from this that don't understand it very well and want to know more, as long as you can get the general idea that hydrophilic means any molecules that can dissolve in water, and then hydrophobic is any molecules that repel water. I really hope these two pictures helped you get a little bit of a better understanding of what exactly those two words mean.